Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will discuss pair of words. Pair of words are the words that have same pronunciation. They are homophones, but some words are those that have different, little bit difference of pronunciation, but their meaning is totally different. Some words that have same pronunciation, but their meaning is totally different. So let's start. It shows possession, but when it after it we put a comma on top, and when we put then s, it means it is. So the other word is abjure. Abjure. Abjure means request. Abjure means renounce. Accept means consent to receive. Accept means other than. Assess, assess, approach or enter. Access means more than necessary. Adopt, legally take. Adopt, become adjusted. Admit, confess to be true. Or confess, admit when something done wrong. Advise, guidance. Advise with s, it means offer recommendations. Affections, love. Affectation, pretension. Enmity means a feeling of active hostility. Amity means friendship. Immoral, lack moral sense. Immoral, immoral means sinful. Appraise, appraise, appraise means assess or estimate. Apprise, inform. Exceed, agree. Exceeds, exceeds means surpass. Assent, permission. Assent, rising. Oral, heard. Oral, spoken. Attention, action of dealing. Intention and aim are plain. Averse, strong dislike. Adverse, harmful. Evocation, hobby. Vocation, trait or profession. Allot, a large number. Allot, give. Already, complete, prepared. Already, by now. Elude, elude, suggest. Elude, await or escape. Award, prize to someone. Reward, thing given in recognition of effort. Alternate, every other. Alternative, another available possibility. Effect, make a difference to. Effect, bring about. Amiable, lovable. Amicable, friendly. Angle, space between two intersecting lines. Angel, a person of exemplary conduct. Anticipate, prepare for oneself for. Expect, likely to happen. Avoid, a time period. Avoid, for short time. Anecdote, amusing story or tale. Antidote, medicine. Besides, apart from. Besides, next to. These words have totally different meaning, but they have their pronunciation is same, like beside, besides, and beside. Beside, one is beside, another is besides. Between, used for two objects. Among, surrounded by more than two. Backward, back towards starting point. Backward, direct behind. Bored, feeling impatient or weary. bore, a piece of wood. Break, split into pieces. Break, instrumented to slow down the vehicle. Breathe, air inhaled into and expelled from lungs. Breathe, take air into or expel from lungs, lungs. Bridle, bridle concerned to bribe, bridle, headgear to control horse. Canvas, canvas means strong cloth made of hemp. Canvas, propose. Censure, contempt. Censor, judge. Childlike, innocent, childish, immature. Cloth, attire, cloth, fabric. Coarse, rough, coarse, route. Complimented, praise, complimenting, accompany. Confident, assured, confident, best friend. Connotes, yes, denotes, indicates. Conscious, aware, uh, conscience, sense of right. Contemptuous, disrespectful. Contemptible, mean or ignorable. Continual, frequent, continuous, uninterrupting. Convince, induce someone to do something. Persuade, induce someone through reason. Counsel, advise, counsel, both are penal. Credible, acceptable, creditable, commendable. Criteria, basis, criteria, plural or basis. Dining, loud noise, dining, eating activity. Dissent, disagreement, descent, going down. Dairy, urinal, dairy, made from milk. We also pronounce it like dairy and dairy. Dairy means urinal, dairy means made from milk, like dairy product, chocolate. Demure, modest, demure, object. Decent, uh, desert, desert, empty or abandoned. Device, uh, VICE, device means conceive, and when DEVIC, then it means gadget. Dye, expired, dye, coloring. Discreet, careful, discreet, separate. Disinterested, impartial, uninterested, not interested. Economic, profitable, economical, expensive. Elect, option for to do something. Select, pick. Illicit, obtain, illicit, ILLICIT, illicit means illegal. Eminent, prestigious, eminent, near. Epigram, slogan, epitaph, memorial. Entomology, branch of zoology. Etymology, study of origin. Especially, mainly or mostly. Especially for special purpose. Every day, daily, every day. When it's separate, it means each day. When every day is written, is written together, then it means daily. Explicit, clear, implicit, indirect, like implicit meaning. Extent, area, extent, surviving. When extent is written with A, then it means surviving. When it's written in E after T, it means area. Phase, disturb someone. Phase, stage, further. compared to afar, further, it or to, fewer, a small number, less, to small extent, formerly, some time ago, formerly, lawfully, fourth, fourth, fourth forward. When when it is written like FOURTH, it means fourth, like fourth number. Hanged, hanged means be suspended, hung, emotionally confused. Healthful means notorious, healthy, robust. Heroine, brave woman. Heroine, adjective drug. This is same pronunciation like HEROINE. Heroine, it means brave woman, and when it is written in like HEROIN, that it means adjective drug. Hot, HORT, hot, crowd. HOART, hot, accumulate. Uh, our, period of time, our belong to us. Illusion, spectra, illusion, refer to. Immigrate, migrate from elsewhere. Immigrate, when it is in with E, and it means leave the country, like immigrate. Instant, instance, frequency, instant, occurrence. Incredulous, disbelieving, incredible, unbelievable. Inflicted, impose, afflicted, trouble. Ingenious, innocent, ingenious, skillful, extensive, deed, EXTENSIve, extensive means vast, latest, newest, last, rare, last, rare. Late, showing the way, late, guide. Lightning, very quickly, lightning makes something. Loose, LWS, loose means insecure or baggy. LOSC, loose means misplaced. Luxuriant, lush, luxurious, splendid. Martial, military, marital, matrimonial. Medal, made of some metal, metal, MEDDL, metal means interfere. Moral, virtuous, moral, spirit. Novel, marine, novel, Tammy button. No, NOW, no means current, KNOW means realize. Pass, proceed, go, past means bygone. Parameter, principle, parameter, boundary. Patient, PATIENC, patient means tolerance. PATIENT, patient means suffer, a victim. Peace, PAC, peace means calmness. PIEC, peace means slice. Peak, PEAK, peak means stop. PWK, peak means glimpse. Personal, PERSO, double NER, person means stop, but PERSONL, person means individual. Pouring, PORING, pouring means study or examine. Poured, POURE, poured means spew or flow. Practical, PRSTICL, practical means systematic. Practicable, feasible. Principle means main chief. Principle, truth. Pray, PRY, pray means preference to polite request. Pray, PREY, pray means hunt or kill. Premier, PREMIR, premier means foremost. PREMIER, premier means opinion or debate. Proceed, move on. Proceed, PROCED, proceed means come first. Quit, QUIT, quit means silent. You can also call it quiet. QUIT, quiet, keep quiet, like silent. Quiet, QUIT, quiet means stop. Reign, REIGN, reign means rule. REIN, reign means bridle. Right, RIGH, right, fair. WRIT, right, means record or note. Roll, ROL, roll apart. ROR means spin or travel. Sensuous, SENSUOUS, sensuous means aesthetic. Sensual means physical. Sight, SIT, sight, plot or area. SIGHT, sight means eyesight. It's relating to our eyesight. Stationery, stationery means office material. Stationery, STATI, stationery means fix. Statue, statue means law. Statue, STATU, statue means sculpture. Then, THE, then used for comparison. THE, then means at that time. There, at that place. There, THE, there, belonging to people. To, means hour or unduly. To means motion in direction. Waste, misuse. Waste, WAIST, waste means part of human body. Wander, wander means roam. Wander, WNDR, wander means admiration. Weather, weather means inquired or about. Inquiry about. Weather, WEATHER, weather means atmosphere of a place. Last is whose, WHOSC, whose means belong to. WHO, comma on the top. After that, when there is, it means that who is or who has. So thanks for watching.